everybody, it's Crystal. So I hope everybody's doing well today and staying safe. I am doing fantastic. Couldn't be better. And I hope the same for all of you. So today I'm going to showcase a small yarn company that I purchased from. So special thanks to my YouTube friend who sent me an email and told me about them. Otherwise, I would not have known. So the yarn company is called Yarnaceous Fibers. It seems to be kind of like a, I don't know, maybe a dinosaur themed shop. They have some really pretty, it's hand-dyed yarns. So they are, it's located in Utah. Okay, so I'll tell you a little bit about what I know. So someone emailed me and told me they were having a sale here. They had mystery hanks of hand-dyed yarn, and they had them for only $12, like at like cost price. And I think, because I think they were trying to get rid of them or something. And you didn't know, you know, you could pick what weight, I guess, but you didn't know what color it was going to be. It's a mystery. But I thought $12. I picked 4-weight yarn. I thought $12 for hand-dyed hank was mighty fine, if you ask me. So I do not know what colors are in here. I got 12 hanks, and I'm going to tell you, then I'll be able to tell you about, you know, how it feels. And if I think it looks like it's, remember, it's just my opinion. You don't really have to listen to me. I'm just showcasing the shop here. So everything went well. She shipped priority. She does have, there's a lot of, or they do a lot of, yarns on their site, a lot of very pretty, some are sets, and it says they do donate 5% of their proceeds to every order to, there's a couple charities that they donate to. You can choose who you want out of the charities, or if you don't pick, they'll pick. I thought that was really cool. But they got some really pretty yarns. Some are made up and some are dye to order. Dye to order, I think it takes like 2 weeks, which is expectable, you know. Yeah, it's like dinosaur themed, and then they got like kits, you know, that gives you a pattern and the yarn to go with it. It's pretty cool. I'm really excited to see what the yarn looks like. So normally their hanks, it looks like on average they run about $28, and that is about what, that's not a bad price for hand dyed nowadays. That's about what it's going for. A little more, a little actually. So you don't see it for much cheaper than that, well, sometimes, but that's about average, you know. Nowadays, 26 to 35 a hank is what hand dye would go for. Enough chit chat, let's go. So here it came. They got their own little tag there. That's what it's called. Yarnaceous Fibers. I like that they donated. It's pretty cool. Part of their proceeds, which is always neat. Alright, let me rip this open. Now remember, these were mystery ones, so I don't know what I got. I only know that I chose to have 4-weight yarn, because I can't use any of that thin stuff. I'm so excited. I don't know if I've ever gotten mystery hand-dyed yarn. I love mysteries. Oh. Ooh. Okay, let's see. It says, Roar. Thanks. Thank you, Maggie. It was their 3rd anniversary of mystery yarn sale. I got 12. I like that she wrote Roar. That's cute. That's cute. Oh, and look at this. Mystery. Wrapped up. Well, let's see what we got, want to? So, I like the sticker. That's nice. Okay. Oh, those are pretty. That's soft. All right. Smells clean. All right, let's look at it. Okay, there's our tag. How exciting is this? Super excited. Cute. It's called Lambo Worsted. 100% superwash merino, 181 yards, or 100 grams of machine wash, lay flat. Hand wash, not machine wash. Hand flat, lay flat. Hand wash, lay flat, of course. This one is called Clever Girl. $12 for that. What a deal because of the sale. But even if you like hand dyed, let's look at it. So that's pretty color. That's very neutral, but it's got some tones of purple and a little bit of blue up in there. That is beautiful. That's beautiful yarn. See, these will probably be hat making yarns for me if I don't get any doubles. This one's called Through the Jurassic. Oh, that one's pretty. I like that one too. That's beautiful. Isn't that? Yes. It's very nice. It's very soft. You know. It's a nice 4-weight too. Good, good. Those are very pretty. I'm going to have to pick a fave out of these. I'm going to have to pick a fave. How hard is that going to be for me? Maybe not hard. Oh, I got a solid yes. This one's called Beak. That's kind of an appropriate name for it. Oh, I like that one a lot. That's pretty. That's my favorite so far. That's beautiful. Very pretty. It almost has kind of like a shine to it. And really, a little bit of a shine. It's not quite so matte like some of them are. That's pretty. This one is called, this one got a little bit of a different label on it. That striped tiger. No, I can't read it. I'm sorry. It's written, handwritten, and I'm not good at reading people's handwriting. It might be tiger. I don't know what it is. No, it ain't that. There it is. Maybe you guys can read that. It's very beautiful. That one's really pretty. With the blues and the greens, purples. Very, I mean, I can see how they got the dinosaur theme going with them. I like that. Nice, that's pretty. Pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Ooh. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Did I get that one? No, I didn't. That one's pretty too. Nice. Like the colors in that one. I do like this one a lot. I like the solids. Night Bright Yellow. That's beautiful yellow there. It's really bright. It's kind of a sunflower yellow, I would say. That's pretty. This is, I can't pass up $12 a hank. What's this one? Spinosaurus versus T-Rex. Spinosaurus versus T-Rex. So as you can see, it's well, so far it's been quite a few greens and blues and grays, which would go with a, you know, dinosaur themed shop. That makes sense. That's very pretty too. That one's pretty. What's this one? Stainless? I can't read that writing very well. There it is. I like that one a lot too. It's pretty solid in color, although it does have a little flecks of blue up in it. That's very pretty too. Nice. What a deal on these. She's got some really pretty ones on there now. Better. Ooh, I like these two. I even like them together. This one's called Stain. That's pretty. That one is beautiful. I like these a lot. I do. But I'm gravitating towards the solids. This one's called Mommy's Very Angry. I like that one. I like the name on that one. That's cute. I think those two, you could work them together in a project, don't you? You let me know your thoughts, but because it's kind of got that hint of a little bit of plum color in it. Maybe not. I thought they're both very, very pretty. This is probably my favorite so far of the variegateds that I've gotten. Pretty. Okay, I got two more left to show you, and then I'll hit the road, okay? Ooh. What do we got here? This is called Blood Ruby which is like a tonal, a raspberry kind of color, I guess. It's pretty. I like that one. I do. I like the way it's the tonal. And then this one, which they probably would work together. This one's called a Sugar Plum Roaring. I like that. Very pretty. So that's what I got. Oh my, they're all so beautiful. You guys have a favorite? I'm gonna go with as far as my favorites, it's gonna be the 3 solids probably. Those 3 are, but and when the variegated scents, I really like this one. Mommy's Very Angry. I think it's really, really pretty. That is very gorgeous. I can't keep all these, but I probably will keep this one. And probably this one, I might try to work them together. And I might probably keep this yellow one. Those are very, very beautiful. I like them. Nice job on those. So I will put a link to her shop below. I didn't tell her that I was going to open it on camera. I know she probably doesn't even know who I am. So, but anyways, I'll leave a link below. And you could check out her hand-dyed yarns. They seem just fine to me. Maybe you can catch another style like I did. But I'm pleased with them. Very nice. They're all good. Like I said, I like the donating aspect. And yeah, and I'm looking now. She's got some other very pretty solid colors on there as well. So, that was fun. That was fun. Got some hand-dyed yarns to do some stuff with. I don't know what. I'll probably just, in the end of it all, I'll probably keep that one and make a hat out of it and get rid of the rest. But it's still so much fun. I can't pass up a $12 hank of yarn. I couldn't. But I just wanted to showcase her shop, Yarnaceous Fibers. Check it out if you like hand-dyed yarns. They seem just fine to me. They're really pretty. So I'm gonna go, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye guys.